Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix inverted audio on Windows 11. If you are playing games and footsteps are coming from the wrong side, or your videos sound reversed, this guide will fix it. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most common reason for audio flipping is a spatial sound or 3D audio setting that is glitching out. We need to turn this off to reset the stereo channels. Press the Windows key plus I to open your settings. Click on System and then select Sound. In the Output section, click on the arrow next to your headphones or speakers to open their properties. Scroll down to the bottom and look for Spatial Sound. If it says Windows Sonic or Dolby Atmos, click the drop-down menu and select Off. Also, look right above that for Audio Enhancements. If it says Device Default Effects or On, change it to Off. Test your audio now. Usually, this instantly corrects the left and right channels. If Step 1 didn't work, your audio driver is likely corrupted. We are going to switch to the standard Microsoft driver, which forces the channels to reset to their correct positions. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Scroll down to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and double-click to expand it. Right-click on your audio device. It usually says Realtek Audio or your headset brand. Select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Now click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You will see your specific driver, but I want you to look for the one that just says High Definition Audio Device, which is the generic one. Select that generic driver and click Next. Click Yes on the warning prompt. Restart your computer. This driver resets the physical mapping of your speakers, fixing the inversion permanently. This sounds silly, but sometimes the issue is physical, especially with wired headsets. If you are using a headset with a detachable cable, unplug the cable from both the headset and the computer. Flip the cable if possible, as some cables are directional, or just plug it back in firmly. Also, double-check that you aren't accidentally wearing your headphones backwards. Make sure L is on the left ear. Finally, if you use a generic USB controller or dongle, try plugging it into a different USB port on the back of your PC. And that's it. Your sound should be coming from the correct directions again. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.